My name is Mia, and this is the story of the day my whole life changed. It was a simple day, a quiet day, but that day broke me and made me. I still remember the morning. The sky was quiet. My room was cold. My heart was empty. I woke up with a strange feeling in my chest. Something felt wrong. Something felt heavy. I tried to ignore it. I tried to smile. But the feeling stayed. I walked to the kitchen. I opened the fridge. There was almost nothing inside. A half bottle of milk, 2 eggs, and an old apple. I stared at the empty shelves. My eyes filled with tears. My life was falling apart, and I knew it. My mom came in slowly. She looked tired. She looked sad. She looked older than her age. "Mia," she said softly, "we need to talk." My heart dropped. I knew this sentence. I knew this tone. It always meant something bad. She sat on the chair. I sat beside her. Her hands were shaking. "Mia, we cannot pay the rent this month." My breath stopped. My body froze. I felt like the world was breaking around me. "What do you mean?" I whispered. She looked away. "We lost everything. Your dad tried his best, but things went wrong. We have no savings now." I felt my heart break into pieces. I felt a pain I had never felt before, a heavy, sharp pain inside me. "But what will we do?" I asked. My voice broke. My eyes were burning. My hands were cold. Mom took a deep breath. "We have to leave this house, Mia." I closed my eyes. The house was my whole world. My memories lived here. My childhood lived here. And now, it was gone. I ran to my room. I fell on the floor. I cried like a child. I cried until I couldn't breathe. Everything felt dark. Everything felt hopeless. I felt like a failure. I felt like life was punishing me. But then, something happened. A small sound, a small voice, my mom's whisper, through the door. "Mia, we will survive, but I need you to be strong." Those words touched my heart. Those words changed something inside me. I wiped my tears. I looked at my face in the mirror. My eyes were red, but there was a tiny light in them. I said to myself, "I will not cry forever. I will not break. I will not lose hope. I will change my life." That was the moment, the exact moment when everything changed. Not outside, but inside me. I stood up. I cleaned my face. I breathed deeply. For the first time in my life, I felt strong, truly strong. I walked back to the kitchen. Mom looked at me with sad eyes, but she saw something new in me. A spark, a fire. "Mom," I said softly, "we will fight. We will rise again. Trust me." She held my hands and cried, but her tears were different. Not tears of pain. Tears of pain. Tears of hope. That night, I couldn't sleep. I kept thinking about life, thinking about mistakes, thinking about dreams. I understood one truth. Sometimes life breaks you, so you can rebuild yourself. I made a plan, a simple plan. A daily use plan. A plan, with small steps. A plan with big courage. Step 1. Wake up early. Step 2. Work hard. Step 3. Learn something new every day. Step 4. Never give up. Step 5. Keep moving. Just keep moving. I didn't have money. I didn't have comfort. I didn't have a beautiful life, but I had something powerful. Hope, and hope is stronger than pain. The next morning, my journey began. A hard journey, a painful journey, but the journey that made me